Because of a comment of an atheist, I felt led to make this clip. Something had to happen in order to create something, because nothing can't be created out of nothing without God. If there was a Big Bang, then God created it out of nothing. Only He can make something happen out of nothing and create something out of, well, nothing. So if I'm wrong, which I'm not, I will only move into nothingness. But if I'm right, which I am, I'll go to heaven. If the atheist is right, he will move into nothingness. And if he's wrong, he will go to hell. The whole creation testifies of His existence and will testify against those who rather wants to believe in man-made theories rather than the Word of God. To gamble with eternity, there is more than a lot at stake.